In this trailer, we will be showing you some levels of MonoChrome. In MonoChrome, you'll need to see how platforms work and make your own way out of the normally impossible stages. Understand how each colors work, and using it as your advantage will lead to numerous ways to go through each level. The goal of MonoChrome is simple, reaching the red door of each level. However, it normally is impossible to reach only by jumping, so think carefully how you would approach and choose one. This is a sample level using green platforms. Green platforms are rotatable platforms, so you can use it to adjust the wall in the middle and build your bridge out of the level. This is a sample level using blue platforms. Blue platforms are movable, so use them to adjust them and make a bridge out of them. When you see a white platform, try shooting your paint gun at them. After they are painted, they will behave just like the colored platforms. Because these levels we've shown you are very simple levels intended to help players learn, the game might seem simple. However, there are more things to think about when it comes to later levels. Think carefully, think a lot, and try to think of new brilliant ways to pass through the levels. Enjoy your time thinking, and dive deeper into the world of